Check 1 2, check 1 2. It looks like we're on. YouTube's not started yet. Ding ding ding, come on YouTube. Okay. Hello YouTube and Twitch, it's me, Chris from Riptech Labs, and we're doing more stream. Yeah, since I was sick yesterday, I decided what the hell, get on here today. Let's see if we can finish this stupid TV. Yeah, I am almost positive that I went through and I actually checked this capacitor first thing, and it was shorted. Now it is. So we got new capacitors. Let's change this guy out. Maybe it works now. I don't know. Maybe I read it, missed the reading, and now it was open. You know, I don't know. But lesson is always keep checking your capacitors, because I don't know if we replaced, you know, this SK28, this double diode right here. No, that one, or yeah, this one right here got replaced also. But yeah, now this cap measures short, so it's getting replaced. I just said that. Don't repeat yourself. All right, I put everything away because I cleaned up my bench, and now nothing's here. Such is the way of things. Come on. There's the one I want. What's that? Oh, shrink wrap. Get on there. And the good old solder sucker, and some of that, and my flux. There you are. Okay. So, let's get this bad boy off of here. Iron's warmed up. Make sure I'm working on the right pins. That's always a good, you know, good thing to know. So this right here. Let's see what I can do with the camera. Nice. Like that's right next to that little baby resistor there. But what are you gonna do? It might help if I had that charged and ready to go. You know, got some of it. I don't even have my stupid can at the ready. Cleaned up, and now nothing's where you know, nothing's right at arm's reach, that's the word I'm looking for. Come on, it got something out of there, that's for sure. Ew. So yeah, don't use your fingers to try to clear your desoldering sucker, because that's what happens. Let me find something to wipe this off. What the hell? That's gross. Okay. If you see me scratching my nose and sniffling, I'm sorry. I apologize in advance. I've got allergies, and I got all the windows open because it's like 64 degrees outside, and it's like still is like 77 degrees in here, and I'm just like, it was like 81 this morning and most of yesterday. Probably why I wound up sick yesterday, is because I was choking from being too hot. Yeah, that didn't get any actually. Let's try this again, I guess. Iron not hot enough, maybe? Come on, you can do it. The little iron that could. Hate that. Yuck. Alright, that didn't do squat. Let's turn this thing up. Come on. Come on, get hotter. Nothing happened. Try that. Okay, well, it says hotter now, so I guess I have to take it at its word, don't I? God, come on, y'all. Get in there. And to melt. Well, this stuff ain't messing around, is it? Uh-oh, I just blobbed solder everywhere on here. With this crappy pen. How'd we do? This is just not working out for me right now. What's the deal here? Nothing's working. Nothing. What kind of solder is this that... I got paper everywhere too. That's cool. Maybe I need a little bit of tin on there. Who the heck knows? I need to put some low melt on there first. Because what I got ain't working. They don't want to come off. Man. Yeah, okay. Listen, you. Maybe this is a multi-layered board. I don't know, it doesn't really look like it. Why is it doing this? Yeah, that capacitor's sucking up all the heat. Click. I think that one's about wore out or something else is going on. That's why you keep spares. Oh, man. Ooh, that sounds nice. Okay. Turn this up some more. Yeah, up to 750. I don't remember. That's got to be Fahrenheit. I got to change that back to Celsius because. You know? All right, you. I'm tired of this. Come out of here. It's really being stubborn. Man, it does not want to melt. There we go. Come on now. Yeah, I think it's loose in the hole now, which is all I need. That one did slightly better. Yeah, that one's... Let's see if she'll come out of there now with the little persuasion. Oh, it's glued down too. There we go. Yep, awesome. Okay. That came off with the negative toward the outside of the board. If you look on the board here. Here, where am I at? There you are. You can see the little curvy mark there. Yeah, like that. Oh, so let's get our new parts out. Maybe. China, why do you make these? Seriously, is the top of that bag sealed shut with something? Why is this happening? There we go. But yeah, it was sealed shut. Like melted shut, partially. Alright. Yeah, 100 microfarad, 200 volt. So, nothing but the best here. This Cheng quality parts, man. Who says we scrimp? Huh, that doesn't really fit inside there. Or is that a bigger package? No. I'm just curious why. Ah, I see. I see. Okay. What they did was... And nobody can see what I'm doing because I'm an idiot. There we go. Bent it over about here. Yeah, so that it can clear that little, whatever that is, frequency counter? No, frequency counter. BC602, whatever BC602 is. So let's pin these so that stay in place now. Alright. Now we're in business. Now hopefully I don't have the same problem with these not wanting to stick as I did with them not wanting to come out. I hate this little spindly little solder here. For big parts like this I need the other stuff. I get that it's fat and it looks clunky. It looks like I'm making pipe joints and stuff, but for most of the stuff I was doing, this was what I used, was, you know, the antique point wiring crap, this big fat solder, and that little fine wire, yeah, for little fine parts and stuff, yeah, perfect. But this, come on, iron, get that down there where it's needed. I could have fluxed that first, it probably would have helped. Let's do that on this one here. You know, I'm not a soldering expert. I'm just a guy with an engineering degree who likes to tinker around with stuff, and have been. There we go. Perfect. Alright, clip those little boogers off. Whee! Cover your eyes. Hey, Smokey. You want to be famous, Smokey? Come here. Come on. Say hi, Smokey. Yeah. What's the matter? Okay, you're famous now. Alright, so that's on there. Let's bend that over. I can't now because of that. Hopefully it clears the package because I can't bend this over. I guess it sucked up my leads. Okay, well, let's find out. Yeah, it's not laying there, but you know, you're not going to see it, so as long as it fits in the case, I'm cool with it. Like I said, sorry about the sniffles and stuff. Okay, where is it? There you are. Let's get this plug back in, get this fuse replaced again. Boy, I don't know, is that going to clear this? Before I go too crazy, I need to like bolt this down with like one screw or something. Oh goody, I'm missing screws. That's nice. Where did those little boogers go off to? They're probably in this whole pile of crap from the bench that I've just lumped into a pile of, you know, nothing. And now I gotta dump it out. That's cool. They were gold screws if I remember right. Were they these? No, these look like self-tappers. That's not the thing I'm emptying out. They were either brass or black, and I don't remember. I think they were these little suckers, right? Yeah. It doesn't thread in right. Ah! Gotta find something with the right threads or we're not gonna have a good time. These little buttons right here, right? No, that's thread's different. Okay. How about this one? Definitely not. Yeah, don't lose the screws. That's not right either. And I guess it doesn't really matter, does it? Because the black ones, well, yeah, were for the case. Blah, this is disappointing as you know what. What about that one? No, that's one of those other screws. Okay. Continue fishing through my pile of screws here. You see what I'm up against here. Yeah, over here. Huh. Where are you? Pretty sure that's not it. Yeah. Really, these big black honking ones weren't it, huh? No, but they'll go in. if I ask nicely, they'll go in. I do not believe this. Did they end up in there? No. Okay. So I got two black ones there. Probably longer ones. And I have... I'll bet it's these little black ones here, isn't it? Please go in the hole. Well, here's the deal. It's going in whether it really likes it or not. Yeah, come on. Yep. That was it. Okay, so there's one other one of those. Actually there's 3 silver screws here. And I'm pretty sure that's all I need because arrows 1, 2, 3. And nothing on that one. I'm gonna say that these are the screws then. I don't want to not screw it down right and miss a ground plane or something. Yeah. That's, I don't know. Like I said, I'm not an expert at this, as you can probably tell. Hello there, one viewer, if you are actually a viewer and not a automated robot system, protocol droid, whatever. Get in there. Copyright check mark. I don't know. Alright, there she's bolted in. Pardon me, I'm gonna mute my audio if I can. Yeah, I can just do this. Click. Okay, no, there's audio there. Okay. And it's just coming from that. Okay, cool. Put this little bad boy back in here. Very nice and careful like. Ooh, this could be interesting. Go back in the slot. What the heck is that? There's a little piece of fuzz or something in there. What is that? I'm not even going to try to zoom in that low because you're not going to see it because it's that small. No, I lost lost my tweezers too. Yeah, it's going to be like that, isn't it? About knocked the camera down, didn't I? That would have been helpful. Well, such is the way. You clean up and then you can't find a goddamn thing. Yeah, well, we're just gonna have to do this the hard way then.
Cover your ears.
Headphone warning. Stay. Did it come out? Yeah, okay, cool. Or did it? Wait a minute. Did it just move? No, it's out. Okay, cool. That. There you go. Yeah, that's one thing I've learned with this stuff is don't force it. I've broken so much stuff by getting impatient and forcing, you know, things where they don't belong, etc. How they don't belong. Like this cord right here is making me very angry, and I have to get it back on here, which involves me pulling it through this little hook. There we go. Okay, and then this little ribbon cable here. Right? Yeah. There. I want to see, just for giggles here, am I screwed or is it going to be okay? I'm really surprised at the lack of shielding in this TV. It's just, you know, kind of crazy. Oh yeah, it's going to be tight though. Yeah, it might be leaning on the case, but it'll go on. Nobody will ever know just how bad my soldering is. Okay, that's connected, that's connected. Making sure I didn't unplug anything else. That one. Okay. Fuse. Is that a good fuse or a bad fuse? That is a good fuse. At least it is right now. We're going to find out. Let's see. Plug it in the Syncor. Volume. Voltage. Starts with the V, so hey, cut me some slack. Alright. Here's what we're going to do. Sorry about the background noise too. Is I got two things printing on printers, and one of them is like a wood PLA, and it smells great in here. It smells like a freaking wood shop in here. It's awesome. No, first things first, I'm going to zoom in on that fuse. If the fuse blows again, then we know we're not done. Fuse, there you are. Possibly. Alright, little fuse, I'm going to flip the switch now. Alright, so we're not done. Alright, let's get this board back out, because that fried that fuse. Nope, it's off. Yeah, what am I thinking? Unplug it just for giggles. Yep. Oh yeah, it's fried. Focus camera, there we go. Look at that, toasted it. Okay, great, awesome. I was really hoping that was going to be it. That was going to fix it. Shorted capacitor, shorted diodes. Like I said, I wonder if something else is bad and it's just taking everything with it. Then I got a big problem. So, you know. Am I just shotgunning parts at it? Yeah, pretty much. If I find bad parts, I'm going to replace them, and hopefully it's fine, right? Alright, let me get this out of the way. The old meter out. First thing I'm going to check is this cap. I'm sure I didn't like put a blob to ground or something, mess something up. No, that's fine. That's just flux, so that's fine. Yeah, nothing's wrong with my connection there. Let's do it this way. So yeah, there we go, perfect. capacitor is, where'd it go? Haha, I had you in my sights and there you're gone, right here. Okay, how is that capacitor shorted? Let me, where's the old one? Did I already throw it? Nope, there it is right here. No, that's one of the new ones. Here's the old one. Is this shorted? No. Okay, so the capacitor's not the problem. Okay, that's good to know. Means we still got parts shorted. Alright, let's try the ones we just replaced here, make sure they're not shorted. That's interesting. You hear that? Probably not. That's a little frightening actually on this diode here. Going to ground, right? If I'm trying to check for shorts, can you hear it? There's something making a little noise on the board when I do that, like a little staticky little noise. That's freaking bizarre. Okay. I wish I could get that printer going. There's no way you can hear it, but this is wild. What is... Sorry if I get my head in here. I'm like totally freaked out by this crap. Is it the meter? That's the meter trying to make up its mind. Okay, so that new part that I just put in is shorted. Yep. That new diode is shorted. So that's a problem. We'll start checking stuff around here, I guess, because I don't know what else it could be. Capacitor, resistor, diode, resistor. Nothing. Huh. Ooh, there's actually, I wonder if I did that when I was putting it on, or if that's interesting. So this is, yeah, this is shorted to ground. Huh. Alright, well, let's keep looking for something else. This is trippy, man. So, yeah, whatever, it's got to be on the same line as that shorted line. So let's see what we can find out. This side really doesn't have. So there's D609 and R606. I wonder if it's this little transistor right here. Q602. Let's have a look at that. That's not shorted to ground. Yeah, that'll tell me a little bit. Nothing's on the screen, is it? Oh, sorry. I gotta pay closer attention. So now it's not. What? Wait, I'm on the wrong part, dumbass. Where's Q? There it is. Resistance one way is like 4, and the other way is like all over the place. Mega ohms. But that pin is shorted. That shouldn't be shorted to itself. Yeah, that shouldn't happen, I don't think. Yeah. And then that little booger goes from there. This is an impossible board to follow because the traces aren't really there. They're underneath this white mask. And you can't see it. Whoa, what? That's saying this resistor is shorted. This big power resistor. This green thing here. Oh, let me look at my little chart since I can't remember this crap. Green, purple, black. 570 and the gold is the tolerance. Yeah, okay, so 570, 57 ohm. Really? That small? Well, that could be being interpreted as a short by the meter. So, okay. What does this show? Maybe it's because that case is touching that resistor. I wonder. Into that away. That shows 46 ohms. Close enough for low one like that, but okay, I moved that. Bend that out of the way too so it's not touching. Carefully. Is that still short? Maybe it was like the case was shorted out. Shouldn't have done that. Yeah. Hear that? Oh, you can't hear that, can you? That's coming from the meter trying to get... Oh. What is that? That's a capacitor. Yeah, no, that says that's a resistor. Two mega ohms. Well, okay. Sorry. I can sit here and poke around this board all day and probably never find the damn short. Well, I'm also not going to find it when I'm not in audible mode. Uh-oh. Is this transformer shorted? Surely not. Let's see here. We got 4 legs. What the hell? Let's see. Ground is where... I do not like this board at all. Is this it? No. Okay, so that right there is ground. None of these should be shorted to ground, right? Okay, good. What about this big diode here? Nope. Okay, good. Let's start with some of these bigger parts. Okay, now that's shorted in the same place the other one is. Or is it? Oh, I was hitting the center post. Never mind, it's fine. Gotta be something here that's doing this. Gotta be. Hopefully it's not like this chip. Let's check those pins first just to make sure we're not wasting our time. Obviously one of them is going to be shorted. Really? Okay, that's ground. I would have thought that would have been ground. Okay, pin 4, so, and 5, and 6, and 7. The other side, I guess this is pin 3. Okay. Which, with the dot, must mean ground, I guess. There's another one. That's also got a little dot next to it. Okay. And the one next to it is also... I wonder if this chip is toast. Because all of those pins are shorted. I mean, maybe they're default, you know, low. I don't know. Where the hell did this push pin come from? I don't know. Man, I really hope that capacitor was going to fix that. I am bummed out by this now. This is going to involve lots of just poking around the board, and that's really no fun for anybody watching this. So, let's put this away again and see what else we can dig up. Yeah. So yeah, that Mac Mini that I left was like, let's just run this without the little board that does the mic that I screwed the connector on. You know, it has like the mic and the remote control infrared sensor. Yeah, it works great without it. That computer's been in the box for years. I mean, it's 10 years old by now. Literally, it's 10 years old. I bought that in the fall of 2013, I think. So yeah, 10-year-old computer, useless for most stuff, but yeah, I'll run Linux on it or something. But anyway, let me see what I got here. What's next? I could work on this boombox some more, but that's going to be kind of the same thing, trace some shorts and crap. I could tear down something. What do we got here that I can just tear down? Here we go. This crappy, cheap-ass DVD player. Let's destroy something here. Because destroying things is awesome and fun. Plus, we might get some parts out of it that we need, you know. Actually, destroying stuff is not awesome and fun. Don't destroy things. So what do we got? We got this little... What brand is it? Oh, this is actually a Sylvania. You know, that ticks me off. All these old electronics brands, you know, Sylvania, Zenith, RCA, God, there's so many of them. Emerson even, you know. They don't really exist anymore. They're just trademarks bought by some Chinese company. I slap these names on this garbage. And it's actually got, you know, component out, so it's not a complete waste of time. But, I mean, there's nothing there. It doesn't weigh... Probably doesn't even weigh a pound. Imported by Curtis International. Is that like the old Curtis Mathis company? Boy, that would be some trippy thing, wouldn't it? And it's got coax out, so it's not completely useless, but it's basically useless. I think we got this free from some storage unit delinquent thing. You know, it was like, here, take this stuff off my hands. I was like, okay, no problem. Well, let's see if we can get into it. That doesn't look like we're having a problem getting into it. Okay. Those little duders. Ah, here we go. Trying, well, screw it, dump them out. 1, 2, 3, nope, everybody, all of you. Two, three, four, five. All right. Now, I'm gonna keep these screws. I'm gonna keep all this stuff in its own little bin. Not that I care, because we're parting it out, remember? Ew, let's not put it in that. That was gross. I gotta put my fingers in there later. Yeah, these need to be washed out. Ugh, that's not cool. Screws. Alright. So this just folds up and out. Bingo. Alright. Oh my god, look at this. This is crazy. You gotta drive The power supply is bigger than the main board. There's your main board for this DVD player right here. This little tiny piece of. It's actually got a socketed chip in there. That's neat. I wonder what sort of mischief you could get up to by putting different chips in there. Region lock stuff, I suppose, maybe? I don't know. But anyway, let's keep going here. I want to get this out of here. Does the front just come off nice and neat? Looks like it should. Oh yeah, it should. Oh wait, is it glued? Nope, there it goes. Alright. Sweet. Kinda. Let go. Oh, it's the cable holding. Okay, that's cool. So this cable comes out, goes to there. Nice. Perfect. So we got a little button board out of this. Let's take that out of there. You know, stuff like this you could repurpose for damn near anything. I mean, get in there. There you go. Okay. And the buttons aren't really required because they're just little micro switches. Yep, cool. I just got 6 micro switches. We'll keep the buttons. What's that, a little clear thing for the LED? That's like sonic welded in there. Throw it on the floor, who cares? But yeah. My light in here. There we go. Too much maybe. I don't know what the little sticky thing is for, maybe just to help keep it in line, but yeah, little decent little micro switches. Those aren't bad. Clicky clicky. Alright, but well, let's just leave this intact. Why bother? What else? This connector, that's the main power in. Yep, okay. Will this just pop out? Oh heck yeah. Get rid of the cord. And this connects what? Output to main power, from main power to the board. Okay. And then these two go to drive. Okay. Where's that ribbon cable go? That goes to the drive also. Okay. Where are you? Try to do this without tearing it up. So I can have a spare ribbon cable, you know, with however many wires this has. If we can get it out of there in one piece. Oh yeah. Nice. Okay. Cool thing is too, now we'll have 6 pairs of jacks too, because that comes with that. Really just one screw? Well, one screw. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. And that should, oh, but it won't. Just pull through from the back, right? Oh, yeah, there's 2 screws right there. Check that out. Huh, no wonder. It'll just fall out. Basically, yeah. Nice. So what do we got here? Let's see. Light. We got this little chip here. That's probably the main processor, this ESMT chip. But this socketed one really is interesting. Come on, focus camera. You can do it. You did it a second ago. Please. Yeah, it's not gonna. There it did, kind of. Now that is. God, I can't even read that. Where's my little magnifying glass? Like I said, no expense spared here. Writing. Ow. This is what. This is wild. I can't read this. Eon. E-O-N. E-N. 2 or 3? This is so freaking small. Wait, I got a little You know, I'm not being very bright. I got my freaking lamp here for a reason, huh? Eon. God, like I said though, even that is really small. Eon. EN25T89. 750CP 174R028 07350DA. That's what it says. So, yeah. You know, I'm betting that's just some little stupid thing for the region lock. You got your oscillator, another chip over here. Has, no, there's markings on it. This one here, this little sucker. SL6603. Alright, well. You know, the only thing really that's of any use to me. Actually, that's probably the main processor, isn't it? Let's use our heads here. It's the one with the heatsink. Haha. But yeah. Throw that in the keeper bin, huh? Alright, now let's get this power supply out. Power supply really is the most useful, I think. Hell, I could probably use this as is for something, you know. Voltage goes in, voltage comes out. It comes out differently, so. And I'm cool with that. That's true, I could use that. It probably comes out 5 volts. I should measure that here in a bit. Let's see what we can see here. Yeah, it even tells you, oh, it's 5 volt and 12 volt. No. Huh. Nothing comes out of the 5 volt. This is all 12 volt. Nice. If you can see on the, whoops, right there. Not bad, huh? I'll try to blow that up in post here. Yeah. Capacitors look good. This big one, I don't know. Yeah, there's something going on there. That's interesting. No, that could just be. Well, hold on. No, there's something else going on with this power supply. I wonder if this thing even worked. I didn't even ever try to test it. I don't care. Like I said, it was free. I'll never use it. If you look in here, I cannot. That's got to be just glue. Let me check that and see if that's shorted with that gunk in there. Maybe this is one of those deals where the glue turned conductive and fried something. I don't know. Let's find out. Come on, meter. Sing for me. It'd help if it was actually. Let's pull this cable out too and put it in the box. All right. There's at least pins where this is all gunked up right here. I'm gonna see what's if that's shorted or. No, I don't think so. Get through the rust. It's definitely rusted because it got glue on there. Ew, yeah, no kidding. Huh. That is interesting. It's glue. It's soldered. Yeah. Okay. So. I don't know why I'm even bothering trying to zoom in here. You ain't gonna see this. Well, yeah, you can. This junk right here. This glue dried out, or got hot and leaked onto this diode and is rusting the lead on the diode. How good is power supply if you can't use it? You want to try something? Let's plug this back in, just for fun. I'm curious to see if it explodes or not with that rusted pin. Yeah, this one. Okay. Syncore is off. Ah. Plug it in. Zoom out here so we can see everything when it explodes. Then I want to measure the voltage, see if it's actually 12 volts or not. Very carefully. Alright, here we go. Turn it on in 3, 2, 1. Cover your eyes. Well, okay, nothing's shorted because I got no current on my meter. Do we got 12 volt? Do we get 5 volts out? Maybe it's working and it just doesn't, you know. Ground, 5 volt, ground. Oh, that's okay. It is 5 volts then, isn't it? Oh, no, this isn't working at all. Check this out. Oh, no, there's 5 volts. Okay. That should be 5 volts. Cool. So yeah, this is why you do this. I just got me a 5 volt power supply. I don't know how stout it is. I don't know what it'll actually do. Oh my god. But yeah, one free 5 volt power supply. I can live with that. Now, the question is what to do with this drive. I mean, this has got to be probably the most cheapest bared down version of an optical drive I think I've ever seen. There's like nothing to it. It's all plastic. Let me get this thing out of here if I can. I see one screw down there. I can't get to it with that. Which is why you do keep the old-fashioned tools around, right? I don't even know what I'm looking at. That lifted off? Yeah, partially. And that one should have come out. Oh, got another one back here. Okay, that would do it. Yes, one side. Why is the other side still hooked in place? Screws out of there. What is holding you down? You can get it kind of lifted off of that side, but not this end. Ah, there's another screw there. Okay, actually 2 more screws there. Couldn't see them, didn't have the right light. Shine the right light down there. The choir of angels, you know, sings and it appears. Come on. There we go. There's a good boy. Who's a good boy? Uh-oh, another wire. Oh, that's that ribbon cable is like glued to that case. Brilliant. Oh, come on. Why would you do this? Why would you glue the cable to the case? What the hell? Yeah, almost. Ah, there we go. Jeez, I mean, look at that. I guess it doesn't move that way then, huh? But there's our empty shell, formerly a DVD player, so whatever. Yeah, I mean, junk. But I don't know what you could use it for. I mean, it doesn't have an IDE interface or even a SATA interface that I can swell. Huh, that's interesting. I wonder what the interface is on this. I mean, you got for the eject, I'm guessing. Yeah, there's your eject motor. Winds that out, and this is your spindle and your carriage motor. Okay. Cool, cool. So, yeah, I want these motors. How am I gonna do this? Do I even care that much? And then there's the laser, which is like what, down inside of here somewhere? Where is it? Oh, it doesn't want to move. It's like locked in place here. Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. It'll come. Maybe. No. Please. Pretty please. There you go. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Oh no, I stripped the gear. Yeah. So, I mean, I'll hang onto this drive, and if I need a motor or some gears, or I'll come looking for it. So, yeah, that was the Sylvania DVD player. Are you not entertained at the carnage? I mean, come on here. Let's put this aside. That just fit in there like that. Kinda, maybe. Ooh, almost, if it wasn't for this damn cable. And that's like glued into there. Just wrap it around the edge. There we go. Bloody perfect. Alright, what's next? Here's what we're gonna do. Let's crack into an old boy here. You know, dealing with 80s stuff, current stuff. Let's crack into an old boy here. What do we got? This is, and I have not been in this radio at all. I got this one at auction for, that was part of a bigger lot. I got some spots on the backlight here, but they should buff out. Oh yeah, that'll buff out real nice. The light on there. If you can see that. Yeah, that stuff will come off. This is in, it's really good shape that I can tell. No big scratches or stuff, and it's not cracked. I mean, it's still got original screws on this back cover. Oh, I have to apologize for scratching my nose here. All right, well, let's look and see what this is. Let me look up. I made a mess here, didn't I? Get off of there. Let's see here. New window. I don't know if this is a model number or not. Let's find out. I keep it way down here. GE radio. Not radio, but radio 10058. All right. Well, let's take the cover off. Maybe that chassis will have yeah, let's get this open. Look at this. Flathead screws. Okay, that one's like almost out. Ooh, okay. No. I'm gonna steal one of these because these I need to keep track of. Where's my little baby flathead? That's not it. That is my little baby bent flathead. Little baby screwdrivers don't make for good pry bars, just for future reference, because that's what happens. Still works though, so you know. That's all that matters. All right. I can maybe try to reproduce this 3D print it or something. Oh man. Okay, it's got a sticker in there, we can tell. What's this paper in here? Get this out of here. So okay, I wonder if I printed this off. I must have and stuffed it in there. Okay. Here it is, model JB420. Okay. JB420. Radio Museum, Antique Radio Cinemas, Schematics, Nostalgia Air, schematics.org. Where is Radio Attic? AC 420. There. Oh, JB. I gotta get all the way down. You guys don't even know what I'm looking at, do you? Control zoom. And then we'll do this. Pow. And pow. Nope, that's not it. What's going on here? That should be capturing this window. Oh, it can't because I'm on the other damn monitor. I didn't even think about that. It's outside of the damn range. Why isn't this working? There it goes. Okay. Haha, bingo. That's cool. Alright, anyway, get back onto here. So, no. Wait. Model 5. Why would it bring me to this page? Model 517F. What? Okay, what? Is this come out of Riders or is this? Yeah, this came out of Riders. Page 1448. Gee, okay. Let's see if we can find this. Oh, here under JB. HJJ B 420 clickety clack. Yep, 1448. Okay. No, I want to see it. Oh, now we're gonna run into this crap again, aren't we? Why can't I just get an Acrobat Reader? Adobe, why can't I just get the damn Acrobat Reader? Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna uninstall that. This Creative Cloud is not even running, is it? That bloody well figures. Oh, it is. It's there. To do that, then I have to do that. Yeah, nuts. Acrobat Reader DC. See, this is what I tried to do. Take me there. I'm not a big fan of this. I mean, I get it. They're trying to... Oh, look, we're just like Apple. We have our own little ecosystem and stuff. Love these reviews. What a pig! Adobe version not free or is not working. Yeah, this is what I've found out, is that it wants to load my... Yeah, and it says it's installed and won't actually do it. Ah, what just happened? No. Why? So that's useless. Alright, there's got to be a way for me to view freaking PDF. So why can't I just read a PDF, Adobe, with it, huh? Let's see what happens when I double click this file. Downloads. Now I load up Adobe and it's gonna make me sign in. It's gonna force me to do it. No, it's gonna let me read it today. Okay, cool. Nope, here we go. Watch, it'll close it if I close this. Oh no, it is gonna let me do it. Okay, nice. How about that? Anyway, this is... Yeah, there we go, it closed. Adobe, this is horse crap. Why is it doing this? I don't want to sign in. I just want to read a freaking PDF. That's all. Yeah, and it'll close it again. God, I hate... Well, Chrome will read it. There we go. Good Chrome. Always to the rescue. Except I can't see the tools. Show me the tools. Fit to page. There we go. That works. So here's our diagram. 5 tube, 4 tube. No, wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it really only 4 tubes? 4. Yeah, it is. There's only 4 tubes in there. Wow. Okay. So that's not a full AA5. It's like it's an AA4, I guess. Yeah. Okay, meter. I hate this meter. But it was cheap and it works. Yeah. So that's your detector, your interim frequency, intermediate frequency. Your no, not detector. This would be your IF amp. That's what that would be, plus your oscillator for the system, right? Yeah. And this is, yeah, and then detector, and then there's your power. Does this have a transformer on it? No way. No. Huh. What is that? Oh, that's part of the case, isn't it? Cool. Not. Oh. Haha. Yeah, it just dawned on me too. There's no power cord on this. You can't see this because it's covered up by that. But You can see this. I don't know what I'm going to do here now, because 1.5 volt battery supply radio, which is why it's only 4 tubes. It doesn't need a rectifier. 1.5 volts, huh? I did not realize that. I just bought the lot and just kind of had been carting it around. There's a interesting problem. Oh, that must be a connector for like hooking into a record player or something. Does that have a input select on it? Or you probably just tuned it to a blank spot on the band, but that connector's seen better days. Oof, yeah, it's been repaired once or twice. Look at all that solder lumped on there. I thought maybe that was a grid cap wire or something. No, there's another loose wire, another loose wire. And what are those for? Antenna, maybe? There wasn't an antenna. Yeah, see, look, and check this out. If this was a voltage set, that would probably get punched out for where the line cord comes out. That's what I'm trying to say, line cord. So, yeah, this has definitely been open, but it's been seen lots of use, because you got a GE tube right here, and you got a Sylvania tube, you got a Philco tube. It looks like a GE tube back there too. But let's get this thing out of here. I mean, this thing is gorgeous. It's been waxed too, because there's residue or polish or something, residue down in there. Yeah, this will clean up real nice. Yeah, that's that goofy plastic. It's got a scratch right there, but I wonder if that's been replaced, because usually those things are yellow. It might be yellow, actually. Yeah, it might be, but anyway, I got to pull these knobs. Make sure they don't have set screws. Nope, okay, cool. Maybe that one does, though. No, that's the tuning knob, okay. There we go. Alright, now. 2 screws down here. And this should just slide right out of this pristine case. I gotta get my Revo. Which one did I buy? I bought that little mini, the Revo Point Mini. The Range, that's the one I have. That I haven't even used yet. I've been so busy with other stuff. It's like I need to get that out of here. Okay, now why don't you want to come out? Grab this speaker down here. There it goes. Okay. Come on. So theoretically, I could use my bench power supply to power this. Yeah? So where would you put your batteries at? Oh, that's what that is, I'll bet you. I have to take this phone call. I have to. So, yeah, I'm going to shut I'm expecting a phone call from an area code, and that area code pops up. I'm like, shit, I gotta go answer the phone. And it's some damn Indian telemarketer. It sounds like he's in a freaking barrel 10 feet under the water. Come on, give me a break. Leave me alone. Come on. Please, just pull out of there. I don't want to break this case. I really don't want to break this case. And I mean, I really don't want to break this case. So what are we stuck on? The knobs, maybe? Nope, they're pulled free. Okay, so what's the holdup here? Oh, wow, okay. Careful I don't crush that window. I almost did. Why don't you want to come out of here? I don't understand what's happening. Let me... No, if I do that, I'm gonna crack that case. If I pry on it, I'm gonna bust that case. Figures. Anyway. No, stop it. Here we go. Look at my awesome t-shirt. Believe it or not, this was a legit Slayer shirt. Oh, wow. Okay. Dude, what the hell? Okay. This is interesting. Why will this not pull out? I mean, the case shrink. I wonder if the case shrunk over the years or something and now it won't pull out. This is insanity. Oh, I'm gonna break this fucking case. I know I'm gonna break this case. Don't break the case. Oh, there we go. We got movement. Okay. Yeah. Now it's stuck again. Okay. How did I make that move? Okay, it's kind of rocking back and forth here. There we go. Bloody brilliant. Okay. Let's set this down. And let's take this and set it aside somewhere where it cannot be harmed. Now, here's what I was talking about though. Can't see it. Never gonna be able to see it in there. There we go. But yeah, 1.5 volt battery. Battery split heterodyne receiver. Fun. So yeah, I'll bet like these two. Oh, wait, no, that's what that plug was to hook up to your battery pack. That's what this plug is. Yeah, you'd have a battery, and it's the same plug some other radios use to connect like a phono to it. So yeah, plug the wrong one in, zot, you're gonna have a bad time. So this has gotta be the antenna, the way it's connected to the base of this coil here. That's gotta be the antenna leads. So the question is, how do I do this? Yeah. Schematic. Yeah, battery cable right here. Oh, make that go away, please. And I can't. Yeah, there we go. Okay. I also don't have a zoom tool or anything else. I gotta do it this way, so, or a hand. I can't drag it around. Adobe, you stink. Ah. But anyway, so we got, yeah, our battery cable. Yellow, black, red, and blue. Insert into AB battery pack. This is where it gets tricky because AB battery pack, I don't have. Somewhere in all my garbage boxes I have a power supply. I've never used it, I've never tested it. I don't even think I've cracked the case open. That has a AB pack available on the market. No, you can still buy these? Get the hell out. No. That's, well, what this is, yeah, this is something else. What the heck? Replacement for Allen Bradley. Okay, no. See, the AB is a type of battery. So you've got like AAAs and quad A's and double A's and C's and D's, right? There was also A and B. One of them was like a 90 volt battery and the other one is like, I think the 1.5. Here we go. Let's see. And it had a C. Okay. C was 4 and 1.5. Okay. B battery for the higher voltage, DC for the plate. The B could be 90 volts. Yeah. Okay. Huh. So the 1.5, that's your A, I guess, and then your B voltage is 90 volts. That's your.
Huh. Now see, I have... So on that diagram, did it have anything on there where you'd measure the input voltages and what they should be? Probably not, huh? Tubes. Yep, these 1-volt tubes too. Good luck finding those suckers if they're bad. Yeah, it doesn't have any tap info on it, does it? Crap, like none. Usually you've got... this is a pretty crappy scan too. Yeah, there's nothing on this board about voltage points. Damn it. There's got to be a way to find out which wire goes to what power supply, because, yeah. I'm just looking at these tubes here. They look fine, I think. Well, that one, 1A5 GT. Huh. Yeah, okay. Sure. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, if this was not locked. What was that? What just made that sound? My computer's muted. The speaker's muted, so... What made that sound? If you're in the chat, that would be something I'd like to know, is what made that damn sound. I don't know, that was bizarre. That bothers me. What made that sound? There's nothing here that's gonna make that sound. What made that sound? I don't know. It's not making it again, so I'm beat, man. I don't know what the heck that was. I don't have anything over here. It did come from behind me, right? Right? Like you go. There's nothing that should make that sound except for maybe my UPS, but I've never heard it make that sound. It wasn't my phone, was it? Oh, maybe it was my phone. What is that? And I just got charged $5 from GoDaddy, and I don't use GoDaddy anymore. What in the hell is that crap? I wonder if that's what that was. No, that was like an hour ago. What the hell did I get charged $5 for freaking GoDaddy an hour ago? Yeah, because that guy wasn't an hour ago, it was 10 minutes ago. Alright. Oh, I know what that is. It was a call out on the scanner. I'll bet you money. Because it was lit up. Yeah, I'll bet that's what that was. Bet you that's what that was. Yeah, I'm turning that off. I forgot that was even running. I don't pick up a whole lot down here in this valley I'm in. So when it goes off, but I'll bet that's what that was, is it picked up a, you know, alert or something and then relayed it through. Alright, these wires are definitely a problem though. This whole set is going to have to get rewired. Because these are all... Well, no, they're cloth covered wires. Okay. So they should be fine? Unless they obviously break, they'll be fine. I mean... Should. Truck outside or something. Boy, and that one's just barely hanging on. Look at that, like one strand. Yeah, okay. Well, anyway. I haven't even looked underneath here yet, have I? So, yeah, see, and you wouldn't even put a battery in this radio. You'd put the battery like behind it or on, you know, underneath it, on top of it, and use that connector to plug into it. Yeah, that's pretty virgin, all right. But the caps are the least of our problems at the moment, aren't they? Oh, and you're sitting here looking at this lovely view. I'm sorry. Yeah, well, as I was saying, yeah, that's pretty virgin right there. I'm just going to repeat this whole thing because I got to use this footage later, so sorry. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's all real virgin. That looks real nice in there too. I mean, it really does. But like I just said, that's the least of our problems. We got to figure this power situation out. This radio could very well work. But yeah, we gotta get this power situation figured out first. As far as what volts go on which wire here. Oh, here it is, right here. It'll stare me right in the damn face. Color code. Ha, okay. Is that 50 or is that 90? Shit. Lower up again. I think it says 90. Maybe. The scan is terrible. Let's see, there's a 5. It does kind of look like a 5. What did that say about B voltages? There was like a range that it could be. 45, 67, or 90. I'll guarantee you this is 90 volts. Anyway, what I'm gonna do... I'll bet batteries are dead in this thing, aren't they? Deader than dirt. Okay. This thing has a real bad habit of eating batteries. Are they triple? It's got like 6 of them, 4 of them in there. Couldn't I just run this off 5 volts? I mean, theoretically. I need to make a little clip that goes on here and run to my power supply here. AAA's. Do I have 4 AAA's left in this little box? I don't even know. I think this box of batteries was here when I got here at the house. My kids bought it from like the where the dollar store gets their stuff from. I don't know. Okay, bottom goes like so. I'm gonna label these wires right now, so when I'm working on it, I don't have to sit here futz around for the document. Alright, let's see. So I gotta switch back over to this diagram here, so I apologize. Okay, blue's 9. Let me write this down. Because, yeah, I got it on my paper, but you can't read it because it's so small. Pen, please. Where is my pen? Ah! Don't move too fast around here, or this camera just makes a jump for it, you know, decides it's had enough and doesn't want to continue living, I guess. Don't be like this camera, please. Okay, stay, please. Stay. Backspacing, that's what I'm doing, backspace. So we got blue, B plus 90 volts. Okay, so we go B. Then I gotta find all the stupid characters in here. Symbol, basic. Yeah, no. Really? This is not... I hate this thing. I need to get one that hooks up to the computer and I just blot one out, you know? All I need is a plus sign. I mean, there it is. Space 90 volts. And that's 90 volts DC, by the way. Okay, there's one. Wasn't I gonna write this down so that I could close the window? I think I was. Didn't I? Anyway, blue. B plus 90 volt. Yellow. B minus, which I'm guessing is groundish. Red, A plus 1.0. And black is A minus. Okay. Alright. So yeah, I need to label these before I forget. I gotta decide which colors are what here. Because they've faded a lot. They all kind of look brown. So we got a black and a blue, huh? Yeah. Oh god, wait a minute. This one's like... This wire's even like torn in half. What the hell? Check that out. Look at that. What the heck happened there? Like burned in half. That's what happened. Didn't it? Huh. So that's green, I think. That must... Is it though? No. That's just like gunk on there. Copper corroded. I cannot tell which one of these is what. Yeah. Because these three all look the same color. Closer inside. Okay, there's the green one. You can see that's green. But then we got yellow and red. Okay, this looks more red than yellow. So, alright. And that super dark one's got to be the black one. I hope. So, let's mark that sucker with this label. Then we'll have to patch this wire. I wonder if I should just rerun this whole harness. Because, yeah, it's broken in a couple of places. It's got bare wire in a couple of places. And I'll bet that one section, 90 volts DC across it, I'll bet that burned. Something shorted in here and just probably took it right out. There it is. Kind of a weird place to do it, but if it shorted to ground inside on that speaker or on the chassis or something, that would have just, yeah. That figures. It's got to be something we can't actually work on. Okay, well here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put this one back on the shelf. I'll find my battery eliminator. That's in one of these boxes in this house. Yeah, I moved, a few months ago. And you know how it goes. You don't unpack everything at once and get it all put away right away. Why would anybody do that? So, yeah, that's what's going to happen. So, okay, give me a second here. And we'll put this away. And then I'll find something else to either take apart or destroy or whatever. I don't know. Come on, wire. There we go. Oh, let's just put it out of the way here. Oh, that wood filament smells so good. Oh, that's great. Put it there. And then move a little drawer stuff. So what does that leave us with? I gotta poke around that board on the TV. It's only 1:30. I've only been doing this for an hour and a half. I gotta do something else here. Well, let's get this boombox down and see if we can figure anything out. Yeah. Good old 5150 here. That number coming up a lot and stuff, and I don't know why that is. Is that like what's the word I'm looking for? I don't even know. Famous number? I mean, 5150. Van Halen's 5150 was in the 80s. This is from the 80s. There's been a couple other things I see as a 5150, and they're from the 80s, and I'm like, why? So yeah, what we did last time was we got into this thing, found a broken, just absolutely destroyed plastic in these switches, so those are gonna have to get redone. Tape drive, radio works. We're missing one channel. I don't remember which channel it was. I think it was the right channel. It's just not there. This tape drive we had out and put back in because it's intermittent. It'll play and then it won't, and then if you knock it around just the right way, it'll start playing again. So like maybe there's a loose connection or a bad solder joint. That's where that little book went. I wondered where that went. I don't know how it got in this boombox, but whatever. So yeah. Anyway, let's get this diagram off the screen. You guys can't see jack because this diagram's on the screen. I'm sorry for that. I apologize. Oh, no, you can see just fine. I had that not displaying. Okay, never mind. That's what I was looking at, so yeah, okay. Well, where's my Stevie Ray tape that I was using for this? Well, we don't need that. We don't even need that. Is that sitting in there cockeyed? Yeah, it is. What's going on there? Yeah, there we go. No, it's still cockeyed. Oh, it's this thing, the ground. Okay, so one Stevie Ray Vaughan cassette. Eject. Oh yeah, it's over here. Yeah, the eject button, usually I don't know if it was convention or what, but you got play, stop, pause. It was like stop and eject and pause was next to play. This has got stop and eject's way the hell over here, right? Okay, so in with the tape. Cool. What was that? I guess some of these buttons aren't exactly great either. Okay, is it gonna work? Well, I'm not plugged in yet, am I? That would probably help. Okay, power on now. Good, no smoke, no current. All right, sweet. What's it gonna do right now? Is it gonna play anything? I don't have speakers hooked up, do I? I don't need to because you can see it. So, play, right? Now it's gonna work. Okay. Yeah, and you got meter light up, but I want to see how I made it stop playing, because all I did was I just went like this on something and it just shut down and was like, what? Poke around on stuff and see if you can make it stop, or not that. Yeah, of course it's not going to do it today. Of course. So what we got to do is disconnect this, since apparently it's going to work now. Well, I don't know. Let me hook the speaker up and see what it sounds like. It might be fast, it might be slow, it might be all over the place, who knows. So let's see what we got. 4-pin speaker jack goes here like this. Please? What are you doing to me? Why won't you go in there? Oh, it does go like that. Well, no wonder. Yeah. Right? Come on. Oh, damn. It's loud right now. Volume. There we go. Turn that down. Okay, so as you can tell, it's working. I don't want to get hit with anything here, but yeah, right channel's dead. I don't think it's the speaker. Shouldn't be. Speed sounds okay. It doesn't sound like it's warbling anywhere. Trying to keep it semi-quiet so nobody dings me for copyright, but yeah, these pots are scratchy as all get out. And my cleaners. What's this one again? There's my Ideal electronic switch and contact cleaner. Now, I also had, I found the straws. Ew, they're all gross. Which are like infinitely helpful. Alright, if I'm going to do that, let's stop the tape and just kind of work it, baby. Work it real good. Oh yeah, that feels better. Yeah, it was all kind of gummy in places there. Ugh. Okay, that feels real good. That looks like it's sealed. I can't see that one. But that should be enough. So if I play again here, let's make sure it's down. And it works again. Okay. Yeah, okay. So, let's turn this off. I want to see, first of all, I want to eliminate the speaker itself as a cause here. Turn that off. Where are my jumpers? They're in here, aren't they? Yep. What I want to do is do the tried and tested 9-volt battery to the speaker. If I can find a 9-volt battery, that is. Yeah, if I can find a 9-volt battery. I should have a 9-volt battery. Where are 9-volt batteries? Kidding me, right? This is what happens when you move. You can't find a damn thing. Nice. Okay. Yeah. I just swore. I did. I bought batteries to put in smoke detectors. Where'd they go? Oh crap, okay. I have no 9-volt batteries. Go figure. I don't even. That just figures. How big are these 18650s? They're like 4 volts, aren't they? Something weird. How about it doesn't even say? Yeah, it doesn't even say on this battery what the voltage is supposed to be. How? I bought these from AliExpress a while back, but okay. Do not charge at above 4.2 volts. Okay, so let's just say I took 2 of these together. Can I do this, or am I going to fail miserably? I just dropped my other jumper, didn't I? Lost it. Yep. Okay. Where did that jumper go? Good grief. Nope, there it is. Found it. Okay. So, like if I was to go like this, I should hear pop, yeah? I'm kind of nervous about doing this. Ow! That fell right on my toe. I shouldn't have to wear steel-toed shoes to work at my bench. Is 4 volts going to be enough to hear anything? I don't know. Find out. I don't hear nothing. But that doesn't mean anything, does it? Let's see. I should be able to, if I could get this thing connected proper. Is that a little hole there? Yes, it is. Cool. All right. So now we've got that. I don't hear anything. Maybe this speaker's bad. Should hear a little boop, pop on it. How can I test this? I could swap the wire and see if it comes out of that channel. But I don't know which one's which. Of course, why would I know that? I do have the service manual for this, so I guess I could look up. Oh God, this thing's like got. Problem with living with 3 cats is fur everywhere all the time. Let's see here. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. Well, here's what we're gonna do. We gotta figure out. Let's just take the board out. Let's just disassemble. Thanks. Here, take my tape out. No, eject's over here, genius. Just got through talking about that, didn't I? Oh, yeah. Okay. So this comes out. Yep. This board goes with that board, and then this connector and this connector way down in there. Oh, what's that? Ah, this connector. Oh yeah, sure. Like, oh, and then there's another one over there. How am I supposed to get that connector out? There we go. Wait, there we go. Perfect. All right, put the cassette deck aside. Now, let's take this board out. Yeah, that cable's soldered on there. That's nice. Take the board out. Screwdriver. Can I get this down in here enough? Yeah, maybe. Maybe not. Yeah, that one's not gonna go. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, that's the other microphone. Yeah, derp. I knew that. I did. I promise. I wouldn't lie to you. Yeah, that's the correct bit. Okay. Don't get your parts mixed up either. I've done that. I had 2 bins, and I was putting parts from like 2 different sets in the 2 different boxes and getting them all mixed up. And that, let me tell you, that was exciting when you go to look for something and you're like, well, where is it? And yeah. So there's 2 screws. This third one's got to come out. I can't get my fat screwdriver in there. Come on. You can do it. Come on. soft ass brass screws. I understand you're saving money, but really? You know, it's just like, come on. Okay, nope, there's one down here. Is there one underneath that then? No. Let's see, a little bit fatter here. Yep. Can't get a hold of it. Now, where's the rest of them? I don't even see one down there in that corner. There's gotta be another one here. Probably in some totally inaccessible place. Ah, crap, that's gotta come off. This is oh, good grief, really? I don't know if you can see what I'm talking about, but this piece right here, I don't know what that is for. That's something to do with, and it's connected to, you can't see it here, this big slide. I'm guessing it's a switch. You can see that move in and out down there. Zoom in. Like that. And this whole thing is attached to the board. Oh wait, never mind. No, hold on. It's not. This part is, but that part's not. Okay, so I don't have to mess with that. Okay, cool. Cool. I'm like, no, don't make me do a bunch of extra stuff I don't really want to have to do. Well, I don't see any other screws, so what's the problem? Ha! No problem. Alright. And then we got, okay, I gotta, nuts, how am I gonna do this? This is, I'm like balancing this very carefully in my hands right now. Zoom out, yeah. I gotta get this off of the board. Oh, yeah, sure, eh? That's soldered on. Are you kidding? No. And that's soldered on there for the lights. Maybe that little board just comes off and I can take that whole thing off. Because I don't want to bend it up and scratch it up if I don't have to. So what do we got here? What am I even looking at? Oh, geez. Okay, hold on. Can I just push that in and it'll fall out? Try not to. Maybe. Maybe not. Yeah. Yep, okay, cool. And then if I can get the same on the bottom, which of course I cannot. So then, yeah, they cheaped out. This face for the tuner here is just a separate piece that's laying on top of that. So I guess for different countries like Japan or whatever that use a different, you know, FM band or AM band or whatever, how are you supposed to get into that to pry it off? Tell me how. What is still attached here? What the hell? Ah. Dial string. Oh, man. Yeah, okay, this is gonna be fun because, yeah, the dial string goes down here. Well, well, anyway, It's kind of interesting too. What is this stuff? That's a factory thing because it's glued to the board, and so is that. Must have been, I don't know, revision in the circuit later or something. I don't know. But let's give this a cursory once over here and see if we can see anything obvious, loose joints and cracked solder, etc. Cover your ears, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry about that. Stuff I can actually see without this stupid wheel in the way. What? Why won't that turn now? Oh, there we go. You gotta actually use the knob, huh? The solder joints seem to be okay. I don't see anything that's screaming at me, you know, here I am, I'm broken, other than me. Oh, now that's interesting. What is that? Those must not be used connections. There's like connections in here where the pins come through, but there's no solder on them. Is that supposed to be that way? I'm guessing it is. Like right here, for example. You solder on this side and there's nothing at all on that side, so what the heck? And you got right next to it here, I got the camera in a bad spot, don't I? I gotta get this more in frame. It's not centered on my desk great. Yeah, and then you've got here, you got those two that are, and you got some here. That must be by design. It's gotta be, I mean. Yeah, nothing jumping off at me here, so but there are a lot of points on here that don't have solder on them. It's wild. Like I said, that's got to be by design because it's too obvious, especially when you have one right next to each other. How the hell does that work? You know? Yeah, this is gonna suck working on this because then this is attached to this. It's the power board down here. I don't suppose that will just slide out of there, what? No, of course not. Pretty please, just pop out of there. I don't see any way. Oh yeah, that's like glued in there. No, or is it? Hold on. Wow, yeah, that does not want to come out. Oh, wait a minute. It just moved. Aha, yeah. Nice, okay. And here's your big ass power transformer, which we know works. Yeah, okay, so here's your power supply. That's probably your 12 volt or 5 volt. I don't know. 5 volt probably. But we have no left and right channels, so I'm going to dig the power supply, the service manual up for this sucker, and see what we can discover about that output circuit. Yeah. No. Let's see, where is it? RX 5150. Do I want the searchable text version because it's considerably larger? Yeah, no it's not. Open with Chrome. Because Adobe, your product sucks. I shouldn't have to sign in to read it. I shouldn't have to. Yeah, close enough, I guess. Okay, let's see. Alright, let's switch this over. Go. All right. Yeah, that's all it. Huh. Yep, okay. Come on, keep scrolling. Thank you. Audio adjustment. Let's see here. Well, when all's said and done, I'll do an alignment on this. What the heck is going on? There we go. Okay. Alignment points. Schematic diagram. Okay, do I see the speakers? There's the microphones. There's your AC in, and there's your microphone. This has got to be left and right. Geez, Adobe, it sure would be nice to use your reader without having to sign in. Isn't it supposedly a free product that anybody can use? Alright, so yeah, CP1. That was this connector. No, that's wait. CP5. That's the speaker connector, so that's not it. Yeah, let's see. Looking for a needle in a haystack. I'm sure there's the right way to do this. I don't know what it is. That's a 3-pin. Now it's the cassette deck stuff because I was looking at that. So where are the speakers? Next page maybe? Hello, why isn't you working for me? Page down, yo. Thank you. Okay, yeah, no. I see 4. No, it's IC, not connectors. CP, connector and port 5. Where is CP5? J1. Where are the speakers? Level meter, that's the second board. Regulator, these are the components. God dang it. Where are they? Why is this so hard to find? Antenna. Let's just get line input. External mic, left channel, external mic right. Why can't I find this connector? If you're in the chat there, you're one guy there. Let's see what we can see here, huh? Where the hell are you? That's like the radio section here. Okay. This is part of it. Where is the damn output? I can't find it. There's CP4, CP3. There's CP5 right there, and there's my speakers. Okay. No drag tool, so I'm going to do it this way, which stinks. But anyway, Here's our speakers right here. Okay. Okay, so 2 and 3 are ground. And 4 is going to the right channel. Okay, so I should have some impedance. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's this little tan wire on the end here. Okay. Let's turn the iron off until I need it. Practice some rudimentary safety, huh? Let's at least try to do that. Okay. So here's my, I've got too much crap going here. I'm trying to measure the speaker here. Zoom out. There we go. Okay, so we got this wire here, pins 3 and 4. I'm gonna see what the resistance is, if it beeps like continuity on the other 2. Okay, so I got continuity there. I do not have continuity there. I wonder if it's just the speaker. Huh. Yeah, because I should have there. Okay, so we do. So this cable is at fault? No way. Am I reading that right? Yeah, I am. What do I get for resistance? Should get about 3 ohms, right? Crawls up to 3.0 and sticks. Yeah, okay, and on this one, our right speaker, went up to 3 point. Yeah, so that speaker's fine, but I don't have continuity here, which is interesting. Okay, should be this tan wire and the one next to it. Yeah, there's nothing there. If I measure that, oh, I have it in actual resistance mode. Of course, it's not going to do anything. Oh yeah, there is. Okay, so it's not the speaker. Okay, or the cable. Yep, alright, so that's good. Put these back away. The speaker itself is fine. Kind of figured it would be. Yeah, so that means we got another fault somewhere else on this board. Where it is, I don't know. Let's just give it the once over visually, see if we notice anything obvious. Let's see, where's volume control? Does that have left and right coming out of it or not? Oh, wait, what's that crap? That's coating from the factory. Okay. It's all over the damn capacitor, unless it leaked from the top and went down the sides. No, I don't think it did. Nothing obvious jumping at me here. Nothing obvious at all on that channel. I don't know. So let's see. I mean, and it could be a short. It might not be an open. It could be a short, and you're talking such low voltages on the speaker that it doesn't really matter, you know? Boy, I can't even get my probes in here to measure this correctly. Crap. Check these caps right here. Right? No, not right. What? So, let's see, that's a capacitor. Yeah, and some of these are different. Oh! That's interesting. There's like gunk around the bottom of this capacitor on the lead here. Like maybe it leaked out the bottom. Not a lot, but some. Well, it's not short. But I don't think it's actually, you know, I don't know. If I could figure out which wires that was, that'd be useful. That right there? Yeah. No, come on. Now I got that gluey gunk all over my probes. Now, where were we? Okay, that right there. Nope, not shorted. Okay. I was hoping for an obvious fix, you know. Hey, bad capacitor on that side. Yay, you know. Yeah. Now this capacitor here is interesting. Oh, let's see, where is it? This guy right here. Yada. Now, all the way out, like that. Can you see this down in here? Where is it? Even more, damn you, come on. Try to get my mount out there. Where is my probe? Let's see if we can move that closer to the camera. Come on, where is it? Okay, it's underneath this cable. Yeah, alright. But look at the top of this. It's got like some gunk on it. And I don't know. I don't know what that means. So let's. Hi, Evie. One of the other babies that just walked in. Let's see. Where's that cap on the bottom here? No way to tell. Let's see here. Because it's mounted right flush with the board. Oh yeah, that does look like maybe something happened there, because there's like, or did that come from me? I don't know. But that was some kind of gunk on there, and it could have come from me. I don't know. Yeah. Let's see what that number is, if I can find it. Nothing. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, there is. You see nothing on the bottom of this board, but okay, there's our. So it's got to be those two pins there. That is, yeah, that's supposed to be short there, isn't it? That one. Yeah, that's on the same plane. You can kind of, this has got, you know, the traces on this other side, but they're not very, doesn't contrast real nice, and it's hard to see. Wait, what was that? Hold on. Something just shorted. What just happened? Yeah, its cap's not shorted, so but it could still be bad. And that's another one that's like glued down. I think that's glued down. Well, see now, is that glued down or is that electrolyte goo everywhere? There's no way that's electrolyte goo, is that? No, there's no way. Yeah, it's not anything that's going to short anything out, so okay. Huh. That capacitor does concern me. 220 microfarad, 10 volts. That one I'll bet I have. Let's see. Where are ya? 220 microfarad, 10 volts. Yep, okay. Right? Right, okay. I'd like to confirm that that's actually on that channel and part of it, so make sure that we're not completely off the mark here, but I can't read what it is because it's covered up by this goo. So thanks a lot. Thanks for nothing. But I'll bet it's capacitor C310. Oh, I got hiccups now. Great, cool. Yeah, now we got to find that one capacitor in here. Okay, here's 319, it's Q308, C319. So, let's see. Go this way. There's capacitor 310. Now, which channel is this on? Why did my watch just hit me? Oh, okay. Hang on one second. I need to check my phone, which I've now conveniently just misplaced. There it is. Okay. Okay. Anyway. Let's get back to perusing here because, this is the part that they don't show you, on YouTube when they fix-it videos, right? Oh yeah, we just did it in like 15 minutes. No, you spent like hours doing this because you had to like look over every little part, or like that TV where I gotta like, test every single piece for shorts and stuff. Yeah. I'm not seeing anything really obvious. That one cap still bothers me. I got half a mind to take it out and see if that does any good, but I can't find it. No, I did find it. 310. Right, okay, so there should be a match. If that's part of that, there should be a matching one for the left channel, and I don't see one. Okay, so that's probably not it. Probably not it. Especially consider. Let's do that. Let's trace the circuit back here. We've got 3 and 4. So this 4 goes to. That goes directly to the volume. Okay, if I understand that correctly. No. That's external smear jack. Okay. That's a contact. That's what that is. Okay, so there's your external speaker connection. I like that. Then it breaks the connection when you put them in. All right, I gotta take this. Gotta take it, so I gotta shut everything down for a bit. Stand by. Okay, sorry about that. I'm back. Yeah. Anyway, problems that aren't mine. Yeah. So what was I even doing? Oh yeah, I was trying to trace this speaker down. So let's see. Okay. Number 4 goes to that, which goes to that, which goes around. Right? I don't know why that's... Okay, so... These are like identical circuits. These must be audio amplifiers, maybe. Well... 233... Yeah, because those are 2 distinct pins coming in here, right? Yeah. So that's coming in from 1 to that, and that's coming in. So this IC6 has got to be either like the right channel amplifier. Ah, come on. Why won't you move for me? Jeez, man, come on. Come on, let's go. Circuit board wiring view. I see 4 and 8. I get that. I see 5 and 6 AF power amp. Yep, okay. I hope that chip's not. That's probably a generic IF power amp though, right? Right? Yeah, so I see 5 and 6. Watch them like be contained in the same thing. Going cross-eyed now. Where is it? There's 8. This one is 3. This one is 2. What is that one? I just said that was 3, dummy. So where the heck are 5 and 6? Or are those just transistors? No, because then they'd be Qs, obviously. There's IC4, there's IC8, I just said that too. So on the other side? No. IC8. Oh, wait a minute. Here's IC5 left and IC6 right. Yeah. Okay. So, oh, yeah. Duh, the big heat sinks, obviously. So IC6 is our channel. Okay. How would I measure that? I guess I should just trace that from the outputs to the speaker and see where it ends. Which means I gotta zoom back in. Let's get that screen back up for y'all. Oh, it is up. I'm sorry. Huh. I'm sitting here doing stuff on the radio and you guys are seeing this blank white screen with the drawing on it. Okay, there's 4. Quit jumping around, man. Alright, so IC6. Our output goes from pin 1. Okay, no problem. I'll just contort my hands and get into that space. Oh, I can get to it. Okay. Meter. Put that back in continuity. Let's see if it's... I'm all twisted up. Great. like I said, I'm no pro. Turn that off. There we go. Now, ground is what? So that's ground? No. Okay. Check my drawing here again. This is going from pin 1 to another capacitor, C232. Where are you, my pretty one? 232. Is that the big one that's got gunk underneath it? I wonder if that thing exploded out the top and that's goo. But then that doesn't make any sense though, because no, there's no way. That's glue. But why is the other one not glued down? So let's check this big bad boy right here. If I can figure out which pins it is. It's those two big pins right there. Okay. Well, it's not shorted. Balls. Okay. Okay, that's ground. So we got IC6. Alright, pin 1 is not shorted to ground on IC6. Okay, so that's good. God, this board has got crap all over it, like a thin layer of static cling dust. And I need to get it off. Where's that little damn brush? Oh, come on. Stiff bristle one. Where the hell did it go? I just saw it in here yesterday, and now it's not here. Yep, there it is. Okay, I knew it was there. Let's scrub some of this crap off so I can see what I'm looking at. Okay. So, here's our... The problem is there's capacitors in the chain. There's really not. So it goes... Okay. Where'd my pin 1 go? I lost it. There it is. It's there to a junction with that capacitor. It's just like a decoupling cap, it looks like. And there's the big one here that I'm wondering if that's the problem. What does the other one measure at? Does it... I can't take... Yeah, I don't have the capacitance meter. Shite. Right. Right. Hey, what's that? Oh, hello. What is all of that crap? What? I wonder if that capacitor blew up. There's like this crap. This orangey crap all around it. Like that chip got real hot. Yeah. Huh. Yeah. That's interesting. Okay. You can see the difference between these. There's your left channel, it looks fine, right? And you see how that's kind of orangey brown? I'll bet that chip went. Yeah. I'll bet it did. Pow. Let me just check a couple of things. There to there is fine. That should be good. That should be good. That's... Oh man, I can't see it. Yeah. Do this the old-fashioned way. Just rub some dirt on it, man. Go to antiqueradioshop.etsy.com and buy my t-shirts. Oh! Now it's shorted. What? Okay. What? Okay, now that's the big cap and it's shorted. I think. Yeah, that is definitely the big cap and it's shorted. Okay, well, that's 2200 microfarads at 10 volts. All right, do I have that one? That one might be a little bit harder to come by. Okay, which box is this? 2200, 10 volts. Different package size, but here it is. Okay. Okay, so let's replace that cap. Let me measure the other one and make sure that doesn't measure short. Just so I'm not thinking everything's cool and it's obvious. Obviously not. Yeah. Yeah. I'm just leave them there. I'll mess with it. I already fried this chip, so it might be too late, but we're gonna try. It's IC5. That's way down here. God, I hate this way this is put together. I don't know if that was somebody from the feed, but thank you. Appreciate it. I made money today. Da 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 da. Okay, so that one is mounted like that. Oh Lord. Dismiss, please. I'm not saying a word. Okay. That capacitor. Is it short? Is that it? That's it. Oops. Okay, so that one measures short too. I don't know how. How can the left output capacitor measure short when it's working? That don't make any sense to me at all. I don't know. Let me make sure that's the right one. That sure looks like the right one. Yeah, that's where that is. And that's measuring short. Okay, if somebody can explain to me how that happens, how a working capacitor can measure short, I'm all ears. Unless it has a non-zero ESR and I need to replace both of them. Because it shouldn't have DC continuity through it. And it's working. What? I mean, yeah, that shows no ohms on it. Yeah, okay, thanks. And now it's what? Okay, and now it's not. What's going on? How can it measure short 1 minute and then be fine the next? How? And now it measures short again. But if I measure on this side of the pins, I don't get a short. Now I'm not getting a short. Okay, maybe I need to replace both of those. Maybe that one's just flaky now. Huh. How about we just replace both of them and see where it takes us. 2200, 10 volts. Okay. I think that's the play here. We're gonna my watch is going off like a maniac. Dismiss. Stop telling me the same thing over and over again. Yeah, let's take these out. Iron on. Kind of move shit out of my way here. Whoop. Let's see. Yeah. No, they're about centered here. Where's the sucker at? Oh my God, watch, come on. Lord. If that, Benjamin, if that's you watching, I appreciate it. Sorry, it's just my watch is like telling me everything that happens with some things, and I keep forgetting to turn them off because I never pay attention to it until it does it. Yeah, ADHD is so much fun. Anyway, caps. Okay, negative is facing this way on that one, and that way on the other one. Okay, short side. Okay, got it. Iron sucker. Let's just see if I can get him out of here. Oh yeah, piece of cake. All right. Where'd my can go? Yeah, I just, okay. Did come out, right? Yeah, almost. Let's hit it again. That should be adequate. Okay. Is enough to get it out? Not yet. Should be damn close. There we go. Oh. Yeah. What is that? Okay. Now see how this is bulged, and I don't think that's supposed to look like that at the bottom. I don't know if you can see what I'm looking at, but this bottom is like pushed out of it. That could just be a cushion. I don't know. Come on, camera focus. Right here, dummy. Please. But yeah. And then there's this gunk right there, which could be that glue. It's still, I don't know, is that just a pad or is that something else? Doesn't want to come off, that's for sure. I mean, you can see under. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Let's get the other one out. There it is. Able to see, huh? Ah! Come on, you can do it. Oh, that was actually most of it. Nice. This IC5 does have some discoloration on the pins. Not much, but it does. Not nearly as much as the right channel one, but which really bothers me. So, come on. Get a little flux on that because why not? I know I should be using the wick, but I get so used to using this thing doing antique stuff like that GE I was working on earlier. That, you know, that was cool. Alright, you gonna come out now? Not unless I persuade you to, huh? If you can get it loose and then keep it moving while the solder cools, then it should stay separated. Doesn't always work, but there she goes. Okay, now does that one look like that on the bottom? Yes, it does. Yeah, I don't think that goop was supposed to be there. Well, yeah, it is, I think, because I don't see where it would have came out of the cap anywhere. You can see what I'm talking about. Although, yeah. I scratched it, so it's hard to see, but I think there was a little tiny pinhole in the top of this cap. Well, I don't know, maybe not. Who cares? It's out. Alright, now I gotta put these back in. Let's see, negative side toward that. Like so. Bend them out of the way so it stays put. I lost my eyes. Man, I hate them. They're sitting on my head, aren't they? No, they're not. Okay. There they are. Yeah. Alright, solder, solder, solder. Who's got the solder? Where's my fat solder? Fat solder. I like it. My old Radio Shack, trusty faithful 6040. And yeah, it's fat. Deal with it. Hee hee. It works. It works pretty good. There, it went down the hole. Okay. And the other one, I got another cap out for it. Where'd it go? Yep. Cool. Where did it go? Bah. Well, I'll get another one, I guess. Where it went. I'll find it in a minute. Probably where that one just went, on the floor. Yeah. Nope. Slippery little. Okay. This one goes with the negative. Goes on the other side of the board. Genius. Yeah, get in there. This way. There we go. Okay. Alright. Is that still where y'all can see it? There we go. Sorry about that. This way. Nope, that way. Okay. Whoa, I just turned my power supply on. Hello. Don't do that. Right about there. There we go. Do this, then I want to test to see if that right channel just starts working, or if any of them work anymore, you know, or how it sounds different or what. Because I think that left one had some issues going on. Sure acted like it. Short 1 minute, not short the next. Who knows? Alright, those are in. Let me cut these leads. How about we just hang on to the end so they don't go pinging off into the stratosphere? Where's my solder can? Throw them in there with that crap. Like that one just did. Alright. Now we gotta put it somewhat back together and see if it works. Okay, slide that back in there. Okay. This has to go back like... Oh crap, that fell off. Shit. Ah. Shit. Okay. That went on. Did I break that? Oh, did I break the freaking dial pointer? God damn it. I did. Here's the rest of it. Son of a bitch. Yep, here's the rest of my dial pointer. I'll put it in the box. I should be able to make one of those on the resin printer. That's fine enough detail. It'll be inside the radio, so who gives a crap. I'll bet I can do that. Yeah. I don't need this, but it would be nice to have in the same freaking place. Boy, that... Yeah. Man. How... No, this way, stupid. This way. Yeah, that one's longer. Yeah, it's like that one and that one. It's like, why won't it go on? Because I had it upside down. And it only goes on one way. Come on. Alright, that's back where it belongs. More or less. This needs to go back here. Where did that slide in? Ah, boy. Oh, it's not even attached to this bracket hardly at all. There's just a little clips holding it on. Okay, that go. If I didn't get my soldering iron cable in there to in the way. I want to say like that. Hey, not bad. Close enough anyway, right? Maybe? Yeah, that's where it goes. Kinda. Well, it's got to slide in there because the knob for the... Well, where does it? Oh, now it's stuck. Great. Like hard. What the hell? There we go. Because that's got to go right there. And so that would have gone right there, yeah? Yeah, okay. Just about like that. Okay, now. Put this one back. I'm just going to leave the tape deck out. It shouldn't matter. We'll try the radio. There's a talk station right close, so, you know, that's handy. I got to plug in connectors to the main board. Where are the connections that I need to plug in? Am I insane, or have I lost a bunch of wires? What the hell? Okay, what did I pull out of here that I'm not putting back in? I'm real confused. I remember disconnecting a bunch of connectors, and now I don't see the other end of them at all. Ah, what the hell? Okay. This is definitely weird, because I do remember that. It happened. Okay. This is weird, because there should be more connections. I don't know where it went. Okay. Where did the connectors go? I'm confused. Did I put them like cables in here and they were in there? No. Why is this happening? I can see where they're supposed to go. Was that all from the tape deck? No. Surely not everything. 1, 2, 3, 4 connectors off of the tape deck. Okay. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Or did I just count that one twice? Nope. Well, maybe there isn't then. Okay, I thought I had to pull some more cables to get this thing out. Huh. Well, whatever. Okay. Let's see. I gotta remember which buttons are which here. Look at the reference. Okay, so the this busted ass one down here is the FM band. It fell out of the damn tuner again. God damn it. Oh, the whole... Oh, fuck's sake. Come on. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of happening. That's why I was hoping I could disconnect it. But no, everything's all tied together and looped with a string to different boards. And you just go, why did you do this exactly? Okay, that... Why won't you go on there? There. Just like that. Ugh. Okay. Plugged in. I turn you on. Please no smoke. Please no smoke. Okay. No smoke. Let's see. Tape radio off. Right? There we go. So that one should be on radio. That one should be on stereo. Well, I'm testing my speakers, aren't I? So might be a good idea to plug those in. I'm just saying. Jeez. Okay. It should be off now. No, it's on now. Okay, but I still don't have a right channel. I think that IC's fried. Which one was balanced? The middle one. Well, do I have it on mono? No. First switch has to be in one of the top two settings. But I have sound on both channels. Yes, I do. I think. Tuning. Oh crap, I don't have the tuning knob. Let's just go in there and work. Pretty, please. Yikes. There we go. Okay.
We talk about the things that people want.
Talk radio stations, hopefully.
And I'm putting myself out there.
You can see the meters working real good.
I'm giving you my life story and telling you that if you believe in what our Lord, our Father says, you can.
I know this balance is almost not doing anything.
He's strong. He is there.
No, it's definitely, right channel's definitely working now.
And I got off that ground and I wiped my tears. And even though I'm not his biological mother, I
never mind. Now both channels are going to the left.
He was 6 years
That's
old.
what's going on.
And it broke my heart. And I'm mom to him. He calls me mom. It's not an easy situation, but our children need to know.
There's the left, and I have the balance turned all the way to the right.
Now.
And that one's not working at all.
They're just aimlessly walking through this world thinking that there are no consequences.
Well, it's not really stereo either, is it?
When you seek first the righteousness of God and the kingdom of God, all you need is going to be given to you.
Dr. Michael Youssef.
All you need to do is you seek my
Why can't I
rules
get stereo out of this now? This is weird. There we go. Okay, balance, right. Yeah, it's all going into the left channel. Why? That's weird. Okay. So all of the outputs going into the left channel now. That's interesting. Okay, why would it do that though? I don't know. I may have to peruse these. Maybe I try to print the schematic out and trace some lines. Yeah, that doesn't make a whole lot of sense, does it? Geez. Okay. Loudness on off, band, FM, AM. That's this one. Right, there's the record mute. I don't know what the hell that's for, but apparently it's on, so okay. So yeah, the second switch is nothing. That's tape metal mode, so that's jack. This one would be ambience and stereo and mono. Right? So if I go on, line in. Okay. Huh. It's definitely loud. I mean, I'm just barely touching this volume control. Yeah, that gets loud. I wish we had both speakers working, it would be even louder. That one should be like that. I'm sure it's the middle one? Oh wait, no, it's the second one. Never mind. Balance, dumbass. Let's try that again. I do have a right channel, it's just not nearly as strong. That's wild. Yeah. Okay. That's interesting. That FM talk radio station's not in stereo? Really? Who does that anymore? You can't see everything I'm seeing, can you? Out. Move that a little bit that way. There we go. But yeah, there's no stereo. You can't see the... Yay. Don't listen to that stuff, people. It's all a bunch of garbage. All of it. Okay, there's stereo again. See the light lit up, right? So yeah, that right channel still got problems. Yeah, sure does. Okay, well, that could be that chip if it got toasted. Huh. I'm liable to get dinged on this now, but that's interesting. I have right channel now, but it's weak. Okay. Well, I say that, now it sounds pretty decent. Oh, wait a minute, never mind. No, that's all right channel and no left. And it's just, you turn it just a little bit and it just goes, man. Yeah, that left channel's still way dominant, so okay. All right. That's interesting. So the next question is, what causes that? What would make that right channel so much weaker than the left? Or maybe the left is too loud, I don't know. I mean, is that a thing? I don't know. This is definitely an old school ghetto blaster though, man. Okay, so, where were we? We were trying to figure out how that worked. Let me take this back out of here. See, now, I didn't have to do that, did I? That board would have come out of there. By itself, wouldn't it? What's still attached to it? This plate here. Oh, that's right. That's why I couldn't take it off there, because of the tuning capacitor. Have you guys been sitting here staring at this drawing the whole time? God, if that's the case, I'm real sorry. I just realized that. Okay, good. Phew, it's just my monitor. I was like, okay. Sorry, that just happened to cross my mind, and I was like, ah, crap. Tell me they're not just staring at a static drawing there. Okay, but anyway. So yeah, that right channel's weak. Okay, that's progress though. We have a right channel now. So yay for that. Okay. Now we got to figure out why it's weak. And that could be that amplifier circuit that I'm looking at here. And now you should too. Let's see. What time is it? 3 o'clock? I'll probably gonna wind this up here real quick, because I'm gonna have to trace this schematic out. I'm gonna have to check that TV board for shorts all over the place, and that was basically all we did. We tore that DVD player apart. Couldn't believe how simple that DVD player was. That was insanity. But anyway, here's where we are. I changed this cap right here, this 233, this 10 volt 2200. That gets to the speaker through this connection on this external speaker jack. I wonder if maybe there's some crud in there or something that's acting as a, not really a short, but a drain. I don't know. And you clean those out, that's for sure. Because that signal goes reverse. It goes from here through here to this R247, which is only 150 ohms. If that's shorted, you wouldn't really know. 247. Where are you? Let's see. Probably not far from this stuff over here. I could be wrong though, so I don't know. There's 245, 246. Where's our 247? Well, tell me that's not the one buried underneath this goop. Yeah, that was just glue from the factory. Okay, and no problem. But there's a capacitor buried underneath it, and I can't read the number on it. Because I see 245, 246. But I do not see 247. I'll bet that's it exactly. Scrape some of this crap out of the way. Make sure that's off and unplugged. Let's see. Yeah. No, R147. Okay, so that's the left channel one, right? Yeah, that's the left channel one. All right. The left channel's great. There. Oh my God, really? It's underneath this? Are you serious? Ah, come on. Underneath the headphone jack? Wow. Couldn't be like shorted on it or something. Wow, that's messed up. Oh man, I'll bet that's it exactly though. It's the same. Yeah, it is. It's the same amount. 240. Oh, that noise is killing me. Ah, yeah, just fall off of there. Break that whole damn pointer off for all I care. At this point, it doesn't matter. It's already broken. Okay, so 247. Jeez, yeah, it's buried underneath this glue and shit. I know you're not supposed to do this in circuit, but I don't think I have much of a choice here. Unless I want to remove it. It's underneath the headphone connector. That's not it, is it? Cripes. Wish would have made this so it could come apart a lot easier than it did. Yeah, okay, that's those two pins there. Yeah. Yeah, I'll be on later tonight. I gotta move this computer in the living room. I'll be on there playing Starfield later, about 6 or so. Maybe a little after tonight. I haven't decided yet, but anyway. Resistor. If you can. Oh, no, that was terrible. I just need to go to joke jail for that one. Alright, let's see. Does it short out? No. God damn it. Nope, it doesn't short out. What do we get on it? Wait a minute. One more time. No. Okay. Does it measure anything? Yeah, 150 ohms. Okay, that resistor's good. Okay. So it's not that. It must be it must be on the input side. It's amplifying it, but I'll bet it's that chip. Let's see what it is. Maybe you can buy new ones. I'd have no idea. Does this say on this diagram? Are you guys looking at the diagram? Yeah, you're looking at the diagram with me. Okay, so what did I say it was? IC6. All right, so zoom back out. Please. Wow, why is this computer being such a dog? Fit page. There we go. Okay. I want to say somewhere there was a list of what the ICs were. Whoop, hold on. There's ICs 5 and 6 with the heatsink. Okay. Yeah, and that's our amp. Voltage. Well, this would be really easy to check, wouldn't it? 5 and with the scope on it. I may have to try that. I don't think I'm going to do it today, though. Come on, page down. Thank you. Jump around. Super wiring view. That's that way. Block diagram. Oh wait, that could actually be useful. Hold on. Rotate, please. There we go. Fit width. No! God blast you. Ah. Hey, Stoner. What you doing? Why is this only moving in chunks, man? There we go. Block diagram. Come on! All the way up. There we go. Recording circuit, radio circuit. Okay, so. What do we got? This doesn't care about left and right until you get to this multiplexer, yeah. So, something's impeding that signal. Is it before or after the amplifier? Like I said, I'm going to have to hook up a scope and dick around with that. Power supply, playback. Okay. Well, are these like dual channel? Here's your gain control. Preamp Q103. Preamp would do it. That would definitely do it. If the audio has a preamp, that would be the one to look at. So, wait, what? 103 and 104. Doody-doody-doo. Where are you? Q102. Q202, 203. Okay. There's 20. What the hell? That's impossible. Q202, Q20303. Oh, wait, okay. So there's 303. That's the AGC. All right. Where are those two preamp casts? 103 and 104 cast transistors. Is it part of a dual package? Even maybe. 103 and 104. Okay. Where are you? There's Q106. There's Q206. Now 106 is muting. Okay. And that's close to these other circuits. So where is it? There we go. Q103. And that one's got to be 104, right? No, that's 203. Are they this? I wonder if that's two channels then. I'm curious. Let me see if I see these numbers anywhere else. Well, the tape goes through the preamp also, so. But there again, Q103, 104. Yeah, this is a little confusing. Oh, wait, here we go. Okay. Yeah, okay. The ones are the left channel, and then the twos would be the right. Okay. I'll bet you money. This power amp, that's the IC. Something's weird here. What? I don't know. The scan of this is bad here. Come on, go up there. The page number's 9. And this should be 10. It's also 9. What? That's supposed to be a fold out. Yeah, okay. So the twos must be for the right channel. It's not really seen though, is it? For Christ's sake. I guess this is a big document, so... Alright, what am I looking at here? I have power amp. So what does it say about those? 104, 106, 204. Well, interesting. Yeah, okay. What? So 101 through 104, 201 through 204. Okay. Oh, I get it. Okay. It doesn't say what they are though. Of course it doesn't. Well, let's look at that damn diagram again here. And trace this back until we find them damn transistors, huh? So here's our right channel. That must be power bus, yeah. Here's our input. Here, okay. So the volume acts on the input. And I'll bet you after the preamp. Yeah, here we go. 204. Okay. Let's narrow this down. Yeah, it's on the other page, isn't it? Let's see here. Here we go. I just had it. I just saw it. Where were we at? There's 106, 206. Ah, I just saw it. Q204, 104, Q10. There we go. 203. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so one leg of that should be shorter to ground. Okay. 202 and 204, right? Did I find them physically? I think I did. 206, 106, 102, and 202, which are what? They're not part of that preamp circuit, are they? Yeah, they might be. Okay, there's an electrolytic capacitor inline here. C211. I'm just wondering if that's maybe that one that's kind of goofy looking. That's Q306 next to that. That's a separate, that's part of that AGC circuit. Damn it. Yeah, right. Where did you go? Now I can't find it again. 202, 102. Where's 103 and 4? 204. 201. And that means that would be 301. Okay, or 101. 201, you know what I mean. 6, it's got to be like just right here somewhere. I see all the damn transistors, but I can't see all the numbers. Because they're buried in this glue crap. Oh, jeez. Yeah, that's fun. Where'd my tweezies go? Damn it. Where did they go? There they are, right where I put them, actually. Right where I put them. Let's see if I can scrape some of this crap out of the way and read what this Q is without tearing anything up. What a mess. Jeez. I can't see the Q on it. Oh, wait a minute. Is it? Come on. Can't see. Nope, that's L. That's an inductor. That's the little green boogers are inductors. Okay. I can't find the Q marking on this damn transistor. Man. That stinks. I don't know. I think it's strange though that some of these parts in the regions where I'm looking have this glue goop all over it, and I don't quite understand why. Alright, Q102, Q202, Q203, 303, 202, 303, There's none down here. There's one here, and that's Q307, so that's not it. Q106 and 206. 309, 308. There's 310. There's 306. Yeah, what am I looking at here? I don't know what that is, but I cannot get to. I can't read the. I can't read the things on the board because they're covered in this crap that I can't get off. That is frustrating. I wonder if maybe there was an adjustment for the amplification on that. Maybe? It's got to be one of these, but I can't tell for sure. It's got to be. Q305. Yeah, I cannot tell what these are. But it's got to be that, so I... Looking at all these caps here. Now that's interesting. Why does that have... Trying to... yeah. Well, I'm gonna... here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna call it a day right here. It's 3:30. I know I said 12 to 4, but I'm gonna call it right here. Yeah, I really don't know what is going on here. Whoops. Here's that. We got the right channel back. Now it's just really not loud. So, and it's way muted. So something is still bad. Either we got too much resistance somewhere, or the amplifier's bad. That's about the only things it could be. So I'm gonna mess with this diagram, see if I can figure out what those parts are. Maybe order some. Figure out what these transistors are. Order some of them if I don't have them. I bought. Oh, okay. Side story. I bought a long time ago a transistor kit. Right? I cannot find the thing. Like, you know, one of these types of deals. Right? I can't find it. I have 2 boxes of capacitors. I have box of T-nuts and screws, fuses, shrink wrap. That's computer hardware. These are stuff I've junk collected. Where are my yeah, where are they? I don't know. Where are my transistors? I do not have a clue. I mean, I don't know. I've cleaned out, you know, the room I moved out of. They weren't there. They're probably inside something else. But anyway, I said I was going to shut this down. If you're still watching me, I'd very much appreciate it. That one person there, I did see that go up to 2 once or twice, so thank you very much. And we'll see you next time. I'm not going to sit here and do this.